Hi, welcome back to the channel. The Bosch mixers are on sale. I wanted to jump on here quickly and just do a quick review of the Bosch mixer because it's a pretty substantial sale going on. And of course, my little pup is wanting to sit in my lap, so he's going to be part of this, so we can just sit over to the side. I did take some notes because I just want to make sure that I'm giving you all the information. So if you see me looking down, that's why. I just, want to refer back to my notes. The mixer that's on sale is actually the Bosch Universal Plus mixer. And right now it is $100 off unless you get the sourdough kit. Comes in two colors. You have the white and then you have the black stainless steel. So the all white mixer is regular $549, on sale for $449, and then you get $20 off if you use my discount code below. Now, I do earn a small commission from that, but there are so many codes out there, and most of the people are gonna earn a small commission from it, but mine gets you an extra $20 off, but there are so many codes out there. If you just, one of your favorite people, if you wanna give them a little boost, use their code. But it will, like I said, get you $20 more off. Now, the black one that's stainless steel, or the stainless steel bowl, that one was $5.99, on sale for $4.99. Once again, the $20 off if you use my code. After I recorded this video, they actually changed the way that they were doing the site. Now you can just get the sourdough bundle and attach it to either the white mixer or the black with stainless steel mixer. It actually comes out just a little bit cheaper this way. The sourdough bundle is $70 right now on sale. So you can just add it to whichever mixer you want and it comes out a little bit cheaper than it was when they originally bundled it. Or you can always get it on its own. Now, if you're just getting the mixer, it comes with 4 mixing speeds. Most of the parts are dishwasher safe. It is a 6-quart mixing bowl. Comes with a dough hook, wire whips, a whip driver, splash ring, and then a bowl lid. Now, if you do the sourdough starter kit, that's gonna come with a sourdough starter, 2 bread bags, 2 of those, I think they're called batten bowls. 2 of those. It's gonna have a kneading whisk, and then 2 sourdough slings. It's just something that kind of goes into the Dutch oven that you can pull it in and out of. So that's a really nice starter kit if that's something that you want to do. Now, I do not have a Bosch mixer, but my mom does, and I asked if she would film just kind of what hers looks like and just say a little, something brief about it, just so that I could get this posted for you guys to see, because it is such a good deal, if that's something you've been thinking about. So I'm gonna turn it over to my mom and let her tell you.
This is my Bosch Universal Plus mixer. And this is the bowl inside. It just snaps on there. This is, you can buy attachments and just put them there. It comes with the bread kneader where you make bread, and you can make several loaves at the time in this thing. It also comes with, this is 2 hooked on here. This is the normal beaters. I actually broke mine and ordered a new one and not sure what I did with them. So gotta find those. And then this is like the whisk. And that just all attaches, very easily sits on top. And your lid, it's very easy to let dough rise by putting your lid on, and just rise right in the mixer. And that is the Bosch Universal Plus mixer.
All right, thank you for joining me for this quick review. I'm not gonna linger long. I'll put the links below in the description box, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Happy to help any way that I can. Thanks, bye.